Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today we're covering VLOOKUP. It stands for vertical lookup, and it searches the first column of a range for a value you specify, then returns something from the same row in a column you choose. The syntax is VLOOKUP, lookup value, table array, column index number, and an optional range lookup argument. Set that last one to false for an exact match, true for an approximate match. Let's see both in action. Here's our Pokemon dataset. On the right, we have a lookup area. The name Alakazam is in O2, and the type result goes in O3. Click O3 and type equals VLOOKUP. The first argument is the lookup value, O2. That's the value VLOOKUP will search for in the first column of the table. Select the table array from the name column through the last column. VLOOKUP always searches the leftmost column of whatever range you give it. The column index is 2 because type is the second column in that range. The last argument is false, which tells VLOOKUP to find an exact match only. VLOOKUP finds Alakazam and returns Psychic. Now an approximate match. This time, we're looking up ID 145, which does not exist in the dataset. Click the type cell and type equals VLOOKUP. The lookup value is 05. The table array includes the pound column, because that's what we're searching by. In this range, pound is column 1, name is 2, and type is 3. Range lookup is true. This requires the first column to be sorted in ascending order. 145 has no exact match. VLOOKUP finds the largest ID still less than or equal to 145, which is 120, and returns water. A quick note before you go. If VLOOKUP returns #NSA, the lookup value was not found. If you get #REF, your column index is larger than the number of columns in your range. And if range lookup is omitted or set to true, always make sure that first column is sorted, or you will get wrong results. One more thing, if you want to turn your Excel model into a fully interactive web app, check out SpreadsheetWeb at www.spreadsheetweb.com. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. That's how you make Excel Excel.